Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, I will guide you through how to turn off mature filter on Crunchyroll application. For that, first of all, launch the Crunchyroll application on your device. Once you open the application, at the bottom right corner, you will see account option. Hit on that. Then on the top, you will see content restrictions option. Go through it. Now, if you want to turn off mature filter on Crunchyroll, then you just have to select ages 18 and up option available there. When you select that, you have successfully turned off mature filter on your Crunchyroll application. Now, if you go back and watch video, then all of the mature content will be available. I hope this video was helpful. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.